girl, Divana Nicole. So guys, I finally got my hands on one of these lucky bags from Beautylish. So we have a lucky bag 2024. I picked the Wayne Goss lucky bag, and that cost $150. And I'm gonna basically show you what I received in this box. Wayne Goss is a makeup artist in the UK who came out with his own line. He's also a YouTuber. So I've been following him for a while anyway. Like, he's an OG YouTuber. So he had his own makeup line. I do not believe that it was very successful, if I remember correctly. I remember he had a video about my beauty line failed, my makeup line failed. You guys can go check that out or whatever on your own. But I'm just showing you what makeup came in here. In this box, or this lucky bag that I chose, from deep to dark is the color basis of what I picked. So everything in here should be for someone of my lovely complexion. And I'm going to show you what came in this Beautylish XL bag for the Wayne Goss. There was a couple of different bags, but they wouldn't let you order more than one bag at a time. So you only could buy one bag at a time. I just decided just to get one. Since this is the first time I'm kind of getting the lucky bag rather, so I just figured I would just do one, see what's in it, being that I already get a lot of makeup anyway. So like, I just went with the one. So let's get into this thing. Alright, so these are all of the things that came in here. I got a couple of palettes. So I did get let's see, the first thing we're going to start with, this is the Weightless Veil Blush Palette. I love everything is like in these little silver shiny boxes. So let me drop this out of here and show you what's in here. So this is how the packaging come. Please excuse my fingerprints because I did put some lotion on because my hands was ashy because it's cold outside. So I got fingerprints all over everything. I'm sorry. But let's get into it. So this is the blush palette here. Oh, I dropped the little, the plastic cover that was on it. So I'm just going to cover up the mirror, but this is the colors. I love this one here. Oh my god, that is like such a pop. I love bright like colors like this, like for blush, because I think it really shows up well on my skin tone. And then we have this iridescent one, but I'm wondering if you mix them together how great that'll look. Matter of fact, we got a finger, so we're going to see something here. So look at how bright that is. Oh my goodness. And look how that comes on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to take this other one next to it and just put next to it. And we can kind of see how they kind of look. Now look at that. Oh, that looks really good. Actually, I like that. I like that. It's like almost like a gold sheen it looks when you put it on. And then like I kind of did them together. It gives you almost like that highlighter kind of look. I like that. So this is again the Wayne Goss. This is his blush palette. And again, I picked the tone for deep to darker skin tones for this particular lucky bag that I have here. So let me show you the next thing that we got in here. So we also have another palette. This is the eye palette. So let me pop this one out and show you guys. So far I'm liking it. And we got some eye color. These are the eyeshadows that come in here. The luxury eye palette is what this is called. And what color scheme is this one? This is what they call the amber palette. So everything is very amber looking. This one's kind of boring looking to me. Like, this is probably the most exciting color, but you don't always need everything popping. You can kind of build your look with the things in here, but it looks kind of boring. I don't know what do you guys think? I think this one looks kind of boring to me, but yeah, I can use the stuff. I can kind of make something work and put a couple of things together. But yeah, it looks kind of boring, but it's called the Amber palette. So that's what's in the eye palette here. So let's go on to the next palette that I have as well. I have, what's the next one called? This one is the Radiance Boosting Face Palette. So this is supposed to be like deep copper is what they're calling the palette. colors. So let's see what's in this face palette. So this is a bronze and sculpt palette is what they're saying. So let's see. For me, this is not bronze in the scope or anything because my skin tone is actually darker than this, so this is not going to work for me at all. Maybe for someone a lighter tone than me, but for me, this is a no-go. Too light for me. So this would just look like I'm putting foundation on, to be quite honest. So this won't work for me, but these are the colors of the face palette, and this is their bronze and sculpt palette for Wayne Goss. So let's see what else is in the next one. Next thing that I have, I got a couple of things. So we also got a weightless translucent powder. I love translucent powders. They like work so well. So this is the weightless powder here. They have a little sticker on it so nothing falls out, but we got a translucent powder, and we got a few more things. I also got a brush here, nice and soft too. Nice and soft brush. It doesn't say, it just says F1, doesn't say what you would use it for. I probably would use it for blush or something. Yeah, I would go with blush or something for this one. And we also got some lip stuff. So let me show you our lip products here. We have I think not all of it is lip. Hold on. Yeah, this is an eye pencil. So let me show you this one. Got an eye pencil. And this is probably black. Yes. The Essential Eye pencil. What do they call it? Kohl. K-O-H-L. Kohl. Like, you know, Kohl. So I'm going to do a quick swatch. That's a nice little eyeliner there. I can work with that. And we also got, okay, these are all the lip products here. Okay, now we got all the lippy stuff. So we got a lip liner, and this is called Deep Nude is the color for this one. I don't know if you guys are going to see this on me. I tried to draw a little line. I don't know if you'll see it because it's almost close to my skin tone for the lip liner here. This is the Essential Lip Pencil. And we have, what is this? High Shine Lip Gloss. So let me show you. And the color is called Chrysanthemum. So I think this is a really nice lip color. I like this lip gloss. This is really nice. It's like a bronze color. So that's something I definitely can get behind. Let me do a quick little bloop so you guys can kind of see better on me. So that is the lip gloss, and this is the High Shine Lip Gloss. And what else we got? We got a lipstick. This is the Luxurious Cream lipstick in the color Cocoa. So we have Cocoa, and this is a very dark color here, as you guys can see. And I guess I can swatch it on this side. Let's see, so you guys can get an idea what the color look like on me. That's a nice dark color. I like the dark colors though. I guess that's a part of me growing up in the 2000s. I like the dark colors. It just works for me. I don't know. And we have another cream lipstick here. This is in the color Chestnut, which I think will be probably a little bit close. Okay, I did mess this up, guys. That was me. I was looking at the lipstick and then put the thing back on and broke the tip off. So that was me, but I'm going to do the color here so you guys can see the Chestnut. They're both nice lip colors. And it feels real creamy feeling on the back of my hand. So this is what I got, guys, in the Lucky Extra Large bag for Wayne Goss. And again, like I said, he's a YouTuber from the UK that is a makeup artist. And I mean, everything seems like it would be stuff that I like. I like, you know, the colors and everything. The only thing that did not work for me would be the bronze and sculpt here, because the colors aren't dark enough for me. They're a bit on the light side. So other than that, everything else in here I liked. And this was this cost me $150 for all of the things we got. So we got the blush palette, we got an eyeshadow palette, Let me take the plastic off of here so I can show it. Got the eyeshadow palette, the blush palette. We got the bronze and sculpt palette that I said didn't work for me. We got the translucent powder. We have a brush. We have a lip liner. We have a eyeliner. We got a lip gloss, high shine lip gloss. I really like this color. And we have 2 lipsticks, which I showed you guys over here. So I thought this was like a really nice surprise. Like, I've never got the lucky bags before, because normally they sell out all the time and they're kind of hard to catch them. So I actually got them this time, got one to try out. So I can't wait to kind of play in the Wayne Goss makeup here to see how everything works on me. But I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up. And again, you can purchase the lucky bags from Beautylish, but they generally sell out very quickly. This went on sale the middle of December, I want to say. Was it the middle? Yeah, the middle to the end of December, these went on sale. I think they had 3 of them. If I remember, I think one bag was $75, one was $150, and I think there was another one. I forget what the cost of that one was. But I would say go sign up on their website, and if they have any other bags, like, you can just like get the, you know, little emails about what's going on with their sales and kind of catch the next lucky bag. But I finally got one, so I wanted to show it to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did and you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post videos weekly. I love showing you guys what's in my subscription boxes, as well as what I'm purchasing and picking up. So if you're into that kind of thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. But guys, until my next video, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.